Hey everyone, so as we work through this first couple of weeks, I want to kind of show you the platform of iLearn 3 one more time and kind of go over it from what you should be doing on a week-to-week basis and showing you what you should also be seeing each week. Last week we had a couple of issues with the quizzes and there weren't enough attempts, so I have extended all of Lesson 1 assignments. And I have actually extended all of Lesson 2 assignments as well until this Saturday. What day would that be? 1 second. The 24th. Saturday the 24th, that evening. So all of your Lesson 1 and all of your Lesson 2 assignments will then, should be turned in by then. So as you come into the class, you have all of your announcements right here, and I will continually update these to keep you on top of the class, to be able to know what's going on, if any changes have been made, to help you out that way. The best way to navigate this course is to go into content. Everything you need can be accessed from there. So as you look, we are on Lesson 2, so I'm going to, if it's not clicked, go ahead and click that. And even then, so you can extend some of these categories. So you have your overviews that shows you everything that you should be doing this week. So it'll show you all of your assignments. When in doubt, you can access your assignments from the overview category. So I'm going to go back. Once you are done with that, a check mark will appear. And go again on getting started. Well, okay. So you have a reading this week. You can go to pre-gathering. So this should be done before your gathering. So I would just start at the first assignment. And you have your pre-listening, your listening main ideas, and vocabulary instructions. Once you have read and completed this, you can push the next arrow button, and it will take you to your next assignment or your next category. So you can click on here. You can start the quiz. So, and it also says you have unlimited tries. So you can keep redoing this quiz until the deadline. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. And once I've done that, you can click it. You can keep working your way down. Did we do this one? Oh, so there's that. You can go to the next. Okay, so this takes you into your math lesson for the week, and then you can continue on. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to our original folder. So pre-gathering, and then you prepare for your gathering, and then you have post-gathering, which is going to be Thursday on. And once you complete all of these, you can track your progress for the week. So let's go. So this week we actually have a portfolio project. So we're going to go into there. 1 second, it's loading. Oh, it's up here. Okay. So this is a future budget. So we want to think maybe 5 years down the road when maybe you've finished your schooling, or maybe you've switched jobs, or maybe you're doing really well in your job. Maybe you have kids now, more kids, married. Think of the situation you would be in 5 years from now. And so we're going to create a budget regarding that. You have instructions to a spreadsheet that you can look at. And then you can click on the actual assignment, which will take you into a place where you will submit an Excel spreadsheet. If you don't have Excel, please let me know and I can get you access to that. You would add a file, choose the file from your computer, wherever it might be, select upload. Let's see, I have a couple of examples in my BYU Idaho So however you have this organized, you can click the assignment, push open, add, and then submit it to me, and I will then have received your assignment and can grade it from there. I'm actually just going to go ahead and cancel out of this so that I don't mess up on my end. We can go back into content. So if you navigate through there and you just stay in your lesson 2 folder, everything you need is from there. I apologize. I completely missed our questions and conversation folder last week, and so I have been catching up on that. I will be much more consistent about getting this responded for you, and I'll be more on top of your needs. So if you have any questions, you can email me, you can participate in the discussion board, and we can move forward. This is the new platform. There's a lot of new things here, a lot of adjusting. I'm learning, my leaders are learning, you're learning as a student, and on top of that, you have assignments that need completed, so I'm very understanding of your needs. So if you need anything, please email me or participate in the discussion board, and we'll get your needs met anytime. Thank you, and have a great day.